All right. Tim's back in action. Okay, Chris. What you got to do, Mose, you got to get that to set down. You can't be coming out of there like a rabbit. I think he's hitting it too hard too soon. We need a bigger driver in there. Maybe we can put Snodgrass in. He looks like pound for pound. I think Ken outweighs him. Speaking of Snodgrass, what did you do with that old Chevy? Take it to the scrap yard? How much you get for that? Sell that by the pound? $263 and an 8. Definitely not what Tim Sylvia built that truck for, I guarantee you that. So I think with a little work, I think we need some suspension work.